Hey guys, it's Amelia. Welcome back to another video. For this video, we're gonna talk about something that I've never really wanted to talk about. My skincare routine. I'm pretty sure nakita niyo sa thumbnail kung ano yung kalagayan ng mukha ko before. How it looked like and everything. So before we're gonna go on to the products that I have been using, we're first gonna talk about my acne story. Like, ano mga nangyari, paano sila lumala and paano nawala. Nag-rhyme. So it first started nung nagpa-bangs ako kasi 2017 was like the peak of bangs. Like everybody was getting bangs and I thought they really looked pretty. So I tried it and the thing is, ako na nagupit. I didn't do a good job. Dito, hanggang dito yung box ko. I don't want to insert pictures though because they really look bad and you know? Yan, hindi ako naliligo araw-araw. So, I think yun yung reason kung ba't ako nagkaroon ng dirt build-up sa bangs ko. And because of that, nagkaroon ako ng maraming pimples dito sa forehead ko. And I took pictures to show you guys. Yeah, I just took pictures because noong una, nung mga isa lang yung lumalabas, I was like, okay, it's gonna go away. But I was wrong. They didn't go away. Nung dumami na sila, I was like, okay, it's still normal. They're gonna go away. Until there was a time na parang ang dami na talaga. And every time na nakikipag-usap ako sa ibang tao, I'd be like this. Nagpapanggap ako na may something na makati sa my forehead. And people would ask me na parang, anong makati sa forehead mo? And I'd pretend that there's something really makati, but there really isn't. Tapos, even when naglalakad lang ako and alam ko na may makakasalubong ako someone that would judge me, I'd be like this. I just wanna tell you guys that pimples really get the most out of you. Like, I really lost my confidence with that, you know? First was, ayokong nakikipag-usap sa ibang tao. I felt like sobrang kailangan kong mag-effort pag lalabas ako ng bahay. Parang, you know, ayoko na lumabas ng bahay ko nun. Dami talaga, like, everywhere. Parang, basta lahat dyan. Lahat sa forehead ko may pimples. And I remember touching my forehead and then every part may bumps. If it isn't pimple, it's a small bump. Ganun. And, yun na yung time na, umiyak na talaga ako sa nanay ko. Sabi ko, ma, ganun. Tas, my mom is good. Hindi siya yung tipong parang, kaya mo yan, ganun. Sinamahan ko siya sa salon, I think. Yung aesthetic salon. Dito lang yun sa may Santa Cruz area. It's not a famous salon, but nung sinamahan ko yung mama ko, nakita ko may sila, may facial char-char sa mukha. And then I was like, uy, parang gusto ko. Ayoko talaga nagpa-facial kasi ayoko nung feeling na kailangan pumunta dun every month, ganun. So, tinry ko siya once, and then, ito na yung mukha ko after na facial na yun. It was like the peak of my pimples na parang, pati dito ako kasali na parang, it's everywhere. The next day, nakita ko siya na parang umuunti na yung pimples ko. And, umuunti na siya, paunti siya ng paunti. Pero hindi sila nawawala. Alam mo yung parang, wait, may sense ba? Alam mo yung parang parang pag nawawala yung isa, nagkakaroon ng isa. Ganun lang siya. Like, hindi na ganun kalala ng dati, but there's still pimples. Hindi ako natuwa dun. I was like, hindi na aalis to. Magkakaroon na ako ng pimples forever. Ganun. Also, the scars are a big problem na parang, girl, they won't go away. I searched online because of course, kanino ko ba kakapit. And I remember, nakita ko doon, apple cider vinegar is the cure for everything. And kasi sa bahay, sobrang daming apple cider vinegar kasi yung tita ko, pinanliligo niya yun. So I thought, okay, try ko, wala naman natin mangyayaring masama. And then I tried. I had the apple cider vinegar mixture and then tinry ko siya and guys, nawala talaga. Look. Nawala talaga yung pimples ko and everything until I arrived at this place. I just want to tell you guys na if you want something that would help you, try apple cider vinegar. It has helped me and it's never failed me. Sana yung pag-aaral ko din ganun. I have a skincare box. Dito ko nilalagay lahat ng eklabo ko sa mukha. Para paggabi, tas gusto kong skincare, isang kuha na lang. I have oily to combination skin. What works on me might not work on you guys. So you could try all you want. Your time is up. Finding the right skincare routine is a trial and error process. Hindi siya yung kung ano una mong makita sa store. Yun na yung best for you. It's not like that. I've tried a lot of products, right? Broke out with a lot of products till I've arrived with the stuff that I use now. So ayun, don't be afraid to try. It's always like that until you arrive to something that is really good for you. Also, I just want to tell you guys that don't touch your face. As in, if I have makeup on that day, I would put my Garnier Micellar water on a cotton pad, then use it all over my face to remove all that makeup. For cleanser, I use the Garnier Brightening Foam to clean my face again. Or maybe brighten my face? I don't know. Seriously guys, I think they all do the same thing anyway, so go experiment with your cleansers. Next, of course, my favorite thing. This stuff is magic. I use my apple cider vinegar mixture as my toner. And for those who want to know, the mixture is 3 parts water and 1 part vinegar only because girl, a lot of apple cider vinegar on your face will never be good. I use the Quick Effects Pimple Eraser. It says in the directions to put it in affected area, so I just lather it all over my face. If there is any, the next thing that I do is treat my pimples. For that, I use Body Shop's tea tree oil. This is a bit pricey for something so small, but trust me, it's worth it. Then I go back to my pimple eraser and this time I put it onto my acne scars to help lighten them. Guys, this product is 59 pesos but does a very great job with lightening your marks. Char-char lang sa mukha ko till morning. After that, I use the Quick Effects Eyelift cream and put it onto my under eyes, obviously. And pinalitan ko lang yung lalagyan because I think it's easier that way. Then I finish everything off with my lip balm and I'm pretty sure you guys know the drill with this one. So those are the things that I use for my skin. I hope I have helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. This video is something that I've never really wanted to talk about. Like I said kanina, ayoko talaga siyang pag-usapan kasi nga masakit siya to talk about for me. But I really wanted to talk about this as well kasi I want to help you guys na nagsasuffer din from acne. Bye!